Hello! Hee-hoo! This is fun. Whoops, need a little tightening. For those of you who were on my live, where I was demonstrating to cook, for those who can't cook like myself, we're doing a taste testing. This is the Caesar salad. Went down the wrong hole. Highly recommend it. So for those of you who saw my cooking show and I can't cook, we're here to taste test the the non-alcoholic drink I made. A fresh squeezed orange juice, not the salsa water, and then cranberry juice by Ocean Spray. And you gotta practice proper icing. A little hot here right now. Just put those puppies in. All about the presentation. You twirl, swirl, and enjoy. I highly recommend this virgin drink. You need to know about lemons. You just slice a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit there. Whee! That way it looks like this. See? You wedge. Now, if I had a whole bunch of other fruits and vegetables like cherries and limes, I would just make an explosion of vegetables and fruits out of here. If you try my virgin alcoholic, if you try my non-alcoholic beverage, drink, let me know. Post in the comments.